to all of you. My name is Abhishri Singh. I study in class UKGB. Today I am going to recite a poem named Save Earth, Save Future. Leaves are a crime because it is not clean. Earth is the dying because it is not green. Earth is our dear